The Cayman S is no 911, but it's also no slouch, and it's an awesome track car right from the factory. But for me, I want extreme. Firstly, the car's stock exhaust sounded great, but I wanted to hear this thing scream, and the only way to do that was to upgrade the exhaust. After doing days and days of research looking for what will sound the best while also giving me the most performance, I came to the conclusion that the AWE track exhaust was the best option. This thing sounds amazing. And after the upgrade, I saved 10.5 pounds in weight, gained 9.5 horsepower and 6 feet-pounds of torque. It has straight pipes on both the driver and passenger sides with nothing standing in the way between the downpipe and the tips, providing a completely unfiltered exhaust note, letting me hear the 718's true voice. There's absolutely no drone, there's no flaps involved, which in short means she screams. Putting the drive mode in comfort tames down the sound and is completely drivable in the neighborhood without pissing off the neighbors.